this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. So from your crypto home tab, you're going to click on the big purple button down below. And in here, you're going to select withdrawal at the bottom. And from here, you're going to select the crypto that you want to transfer to Trust Wallet. And let's say we want to transfer Bitcoin, then we click on Bitcoin. And here we're going to select a network. And please make sure that you select the same network in here as you will select on Trust Wallet. So I'm just going for Bitcoin. Let's click on done. So in the wallet section in here, you're going to click on add new wallet address if you don't have any at the moment, or when you already have some, you're going to click on this arrow down, and in here you will see add withdrawal address. So let's click on this and select the same network as you previously did and will on Trust Wallet again. In this screen, we need to paste the withdrawal address from our Trust Wallet. So let's go to our Trust Wallet to get this address. From our Trust Wallet home screen, we're going to click on receive. And in here, we're going to select the crypto that we are transferring. And I selected Bitcoin. So select BTC in here. And also make sure that you click on all networks. And in here, select the same network as you previously selected. And I went for Bitcoin. But let's say you went for Lightning. Then select Lightning in here. But I'm going to choose Bitcoin. So I see that the one on top is the right one. And it says it in the black box. So click on Bitcoin. And now we have our wallet address, and we can scan this with QR code, or you can click on copy to your clipboard. So let's do this. And let's go to our Kraken wallet to paste this in. So we have pasted our wallet address from Trust Wallet. So now we can click on continue. And here we need to give a description. So for the overview, just name it Trust Wallet and then BTC. And then click on continue. Right now click on confirm. Kraken will always send you a confirmation mail for your withdrawal address, so check your spam or junk folder to find this email, and after you got this email, you're going to click on confirm, and afterwards you can go back to your Kraken app. So the address is approved, and now we can go back to the app. And right now we can select an address, so click on the arrow down, and here we can select our Trust Wallet BTC address. And right now we are ready to transfer crypto from our Kraken to Trust Wallet. So you can enter an amount in here. You can select in crypto or in euros, just depending on your preferences. And after you have entered your amount, then you can click on review and then on confirm. Be aware that there are minimum amounts of euros or crypto that you need to send in order to make the transfer complete. And I think for Bitcoin, it is around 18 euros. And I don't have sufficient at the moment, but it's just a matter of clicking on review in here. Then you click on confirm, and then you need to wait, and then your transfer will be completed. So that is how you transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.